This next trick is called Breakaway, and it is a very essential trick as far as learning how to do all the more complex and cool tricks that you've probably seen around. Breakaway looks like this. You're basically taking what you've learned from the throwdown and just moving your arm out sideways from your body. And from here, you make the muscle, extend your arm forward and let go of the yo-yo like you would with the throwdown. But instead of just letting it drop down and coming back, you swing it basically from shoulder to shoulder. When it reaches the end of the string, you give it a little tug, and it'll help it come back to your hand. It's basically what you learned with the forward pass. When it reaches the end of the string, you give it a tug and it'll come back. Breakaway is an important trick, however, because it teaches you how to throw the yo-yo straight enough. That way, when you decide that you want to, you can land it on the string and start doing more complicated tricks. Well, that's pretty much it. That is the Breakaway. I will see you guys in the next video.